Is there anything worse than hitting publish, seeing the view count tick up, and then flatline? It hits 1,200 views and just dies. You try again, same result. It feels personal, doesn't it? Like the algorithm is holding a grudge. This is what we call the short shelf freeze, and it kills motivation fast. But take a breath, because it's fixable. If you are tired of being stuck in the 1K view jail or getting 0 views at all, don't skip a second of this. The specific tweaks I use for my clients could be the key to unlocking your reach. Hi, I am Jen. I've spent years helping creators build their channels from 0, using a strategy that has consistently taken my clients from stuck views to over 100,000 views per short. I started this brand new channel to show you exactly how that process works from day one. So you can see I practice what I preach. But first, are you serious about turning content creation into a career? Then you need to click that subscribe button right now. Mistake 1, the aspect ratio trap. Look at your last upload. Does it fill the entire screen? It sounds basic, but many creators fail here. The native language of shorts is 9:16 vertical. If you upload horizontal clips with black bars or weird crops, YouTube often disqualifies it from the shorts shelf entirely. If you aren't on the shelf, you don't get views. The fix is non-negotiable. Edit everything in vertical 9:16. Fill the frame. Don't give the user's eye any dead space to look at. Mistake 2, the rage delete. We've all been there. A video flops. It looks bad on your page, so you delete it. Stop doing that immediately. Every time you delete a video, you wipe away data and signal instability to the algorithm. If YouTube thinks you're flaky, it stops investing traffic in you. The solution, let it ride. A flop today could be a viral hit 3 weeks from now when the algorithm finds the right pocket. Deleting it destroys that potential forever. Mistake 3, keyword stuffing and lazy metadata. Let's look at your details. Are you packing the title with 20 random hashtags? That looks like spam to the system, not optimization. Your title needs to be a hook, not a word salad. Keep it punchy and limit hashtags to 1 or 2 that actually matter. And the description, do not leave it blank. That is a missed opportunity for SEO. Write a sentence or 2 about the video using natural keywords. This helps the AI categorize your content and gives the viewer context. Mistake 4, the variety error. Here is a common trap. Monday is a fitness tip. Tuesday is a gaming clip. Wednesday is a reaction video. You think you're being versatile. YouTube thinks you're lost. If the algorithm doesn't know what your channel is about, it doesn't know who to show it to. And when it shows fitness to gamers, they swipe away. That swipe kills your retention. The fix, pick a lane. Train the algorithm on one specific topic until you have a loyal base. Mistake 5, artificial inflation. Stop trying to game the system using multiple accounts to watch your own stuff or begging family members to sub is a strategy for failure. Why? Because your aunt doesn't actually care about your niche. She subscribes to be nice, but then she skips your videos. That tells YouTube your content is boring. Bad data is worse than no data. You need genuine viewers who actually want to watch your specific topic. That is the only engagement that counts. Bonus mistake, the ghosting effect. This is the #1 channel killer. YouTube is looking for reliability. If you upload 3 times in one day and then vanish for 2 weeks, the system flags you as inactive. You cannot build momentum with erratic behavior. The solution is a schedule. Aim for 1 high quality short every 2 days. Commit to that for 30 days straight. If you do that and still see 0 movement, then and only then, consider starting a fresh handle. Keep in mind the algorithm is a testing machine. Gaining your first 200 subscribers is the hardest part because the system is vetting you. But once you pass that trust threshold, that is when the floodgates open. The more at-bats you give yourself with consistent uploads, the higher your chances of hitting that home run. One viral video changes the whole trajectory. So here's the challenge. Are you just trying to get lucky? Or are you building a library of content? YouTube pushes creators who prove they are here to stay. Now, I want to know your stats. Which of these errors are you guilty of? Or are you struggling with something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. I read them to figure out what to help you with next. Are you serious about turning content creation into a career? Then you need to click that subscribe button right now.